Beautiful sunny day here in central Pennsylvania, February 26th. 45 right now, 18 when I got up. Last week 70s, down to the teens, 30s, back to the 50s. Probably why I've been dealing with a cold or flu, I don't know. Had fever, so maybe flu, I don't know, for about a week now. Not something that I have time for. Too much going on here in Sugar Run to deal with this, but you know, what's the alternative? Want to get back on that walk-in cooler, get that finished up here before March comes around, because March we'll be planting in the greenhouse outside. I need to start dragging logs to cut for the 20 by 20 workshop I want to build, and just got too much to do to be down for any period of time. A little bit discouraged anyway this winter, because we had my dream winter, in which I've always hoped for an open winter, not much snow, so you can get some things done. We had that this year, 2023, 2022, 2023 actually. I could have been building all year, all winter, but I didn't have the lumber cut for the project, and switched over to wood from coal this year to heat the house in the greenhouse, and didn't really have enough wood, the right size cut, so that's kind of been a priority to be working on that. So it's a little bit of a disappointment that we didn't get that building started in the winter. We probably could have had her done by late spring instead of just starting it by late spring, but it is what it is, and you know, you deal with what you have to work with, and move on from there. Big thing now is to get that walk-in cooler done and get that kiln that's I'm going to put in down there done, so we can dry some wood, some hardwood, and just keep on trucking, I guess. So that was just a quick update. I'll post more videos on the walk-in cooler project here as soon as I get around to getting some more work done on that. All right, catch you on the flip.